What are you doing, Gabby? Playing stamps. Are you making a pretty picture?
Yeah, for my daddy.
For who?
For my daddy.
Can you say hello, Gabby?
Hello.
Look at the camera.
Hello.
What did you do today, Gabriella?
Hello.
What did you do today? You play the stamps? What did you do at Miss Mary's house today?
Sleep?
You slept?
No, I sleep. And I eat yogurt, donuts, and I drink my water.
You had donuts, yogurt, and you drank your water?
Yeah.